Hey everyone, Tesla Tom. This is Joey, my wife.
Hello.
We are here at Mrs. Macquarie's chair overlooking Woolloomooloo Bay, and there is a Lamppost street EV charger which I'm looking forward to trying out, and we're going to show it to you right now. Okay, so here we are at the Lamppost charger here in Mrs. Macquarie's chair. I reckon this is the future of EV charging on the street. It's going to be good for people living in apartments as well, because if you've got lampposts with EV chargers everywhere, then that solves the problem of not having EV chargers at home. So this is great. This is not activated yet, but it's definitely a Type 2 charger. As you can see there, the lights aren't on. I brought my Type 2 cable, and we're going to try it out just to show you that all you need is a cable like this, which you can leave in your front. And one day when this is operational, you can put that into your car. And this cable is about $250 to $300 depending where you buy it from. And yeah, I think this is the future of electric vehicle charging in Australia. At the moment the parking spots aren't very well signed. As you can see, they're both iced. Well, I guess technically not iced because it's not operational yet, but I'm hoping that when this does come online eventually, that these spots will be well marked and it'll be easy enough for an EV to park here and charge on the street. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and as always, happy charging.